What do you do when it's 12 degrees outside, getting ready to go down to 9 degrees Fahrenheit? You're stuck in 2 inches of ice and you're in Dallas, Texas with a whole bunch of crazies that are trying to get out on the road. Well, here at Max Concert Photography, we're going to show you what we do normally in January. Welcome to Max Concert Photography. I'm Robert Maxfield, and here at Max Concert Photography, we talk everything concert photography related. And right now, it is incredibly nasty cold outside, and nothing's going on. I'm not getting out. There's 2 inches of ice. There's wackos out on the road. And what we're going to show you right now is some things that are really going on for Max Concert Photography. The first thing we did, and I'm going to show you a little video, we got a new video camera. And this thing is really surprising. It's put out by a company called Rum Yums, and it's their 4K 900 Pro. It's less than $100. It's bizarre, I know. And it comes with a box, and in the box you get a cable, 2 batteries, a remote control, a lavalier microphone, and a micro SD card. Yeah, believe it or not, one of these things. Yeah, I don't have any idea what you do with that, but we're going to show you some video out of that in this show. We're going to cover a little bit of some of the going-ons. We normally stop doing everything around Thanksgiving in the U.S., which is November, about the 25th, and we've been going crazy still. We just got through doing a cover photo for a magazine, and we went out and worked with the interview on that. We did a show on the 2nd of January. We have something coming up on February the 15th with Point Blank and Black Horse. And normally we don't start until the end of February, March at the soonest, because we take the time off. And part of the time that we do that, it gives us time to recover. It gives us time to clean up. It gives us time to get organized and get prepared for the spring, which starts typically in March. So there's a lot of stuff going on. Also, we're going to tell you a little bit about Southwest Graphic Arts and some of the things that we do with Southwest Graphic Arts. And that's coming up. So we'll start off here in a second with some things that are some of the preparation that we do to start the year. It's so cold that the internet music server is not working. First thing we're going to do, we're going to start off with this little camera by Rum Yums. And I had never seen it before, and I received it as a Christmas gift, which was pretty interesting. We were thinking about using it in the studio. Right now, we don't know where we're going to use it, and it works really pretty well. It comes in under the Vivitar name. It comes on under a no-name box. I've seen it as low as $50 on Amazon, and it normally goes for somewhere around, it's under $100. But it advertises 4K, and it really is pretty neat. This will give you an idea what the weather's like outside. It's on its way to 11 degrees tonight. It's supposed to get even worse. We're expecting more snow. This is actually not snow. This is actual ice. It's about 2 inches deep. And I thought, since I'm stuck, I can't go anywhere. What the hell? I'll just kind of just see what it does. Now watch this. So one of the things we do during this time of year is we test new equipment that we've got, and that's one of the things we just got. Another thing we do is we take all our existing equipment and go through it and take a look and see what condition and shape it's in. Do any cleanings, anything like that. And actually the photo that was shot at the start of the ice and snow, at the start of the video, was shot with this Nikon D70S, which is, yay, 21 years old, but it worked great and I hadn't got it out, so what the hell. We take and all the video cards, all the SD cards, the compact flashes, all those things, and we take them out of the camera, make sure, out of all the cameras, and we make sure that all the photos are off and they're stored properly on the hard drives and they're taken care of. Then we take and set them in here, and they're ready to format, and we will format them each in the camera when that time comes. One of the things that we did discover is that we had a bad one of these, and it was actually in this D70S when we used it. The photos you could see on the back of the camera, but the card would not read in about 3 or 4 different readers that we had. So we put other cards in it, and the other cards worked just fine. So we figure this card is probably pretty bad. So the next thing we do is we put on a list of everything that we need to order. And that'll be one of the first things. I'm going to order probably 3 compact flash cards or 4 compact flash cards and 4 matching SD cards to go along with them. The next thing we do, we look at all the batteries, we test all the batteries, make sure all the batteries are working, and go ahead with that. And make sure all the lenses are clean, everything's in functioning, working order. Oh, and while I'm at it, I got this for Christmas, and we're replacing the ones that I lost. These things, if you don't use these things, they are absolutely fantastic. What they do is they mount on your finger, and then they wrap around, and then you got this. So if you lose a lens cap, or you want to get down into your fanny pack or something like that, and you're in the dark in the media area, the pit area, or you're out in the public area, these things are fantastic because you can actually find the stuff that you dropped and you're looking for. One of the things I did in another video was marking your batteries and some of your gear with stuff that has a reflective type of paint on it, so that you can see them when you drop them. If you drop them in a crowded area, you hit them with that glove, and guess what? This stuff reflects, and you can see it and spot it real easy on the ground, and you can pick it up and you won't lose it. Another thing we do is we do a lot of printing, and do a lot of printing for our portfolio, and so we can have a hard copy of it. So we change those photographs out a lot, and I've got a fancy binder that I hand people to show them what it looks like. But I keep a lot of the photos in a regular 3-ring binder, and we go through and we show a lot of the photos in here. But most of the time what we'll do is we'll take these photos and swap them out with the fancy binder when we're carrying the fancy binders to show people. So a week ago we went to the store, and we bought some Red River paper, and this comes in a 100-sheet box. We've got a Canon Pro 100 that sits in the back. It'll print 13 by 19 photographs, big huge things. We print a lot of other things that generally will mount on the wall. So we'll buy a lot of these things at Michael's, or in this case we bought these at Hobby Lobby. Sometimes they run them on sale. You can get them for like $2.50 a piece. They're 8.5 by 11, and they're good, solid, sturdy frame. So we do that in preparation. So as we're printing, if there's anything we want to hang on the wall, which there's going to be a new copy of the magazine cover, which I'll print it out and I'll put it up on the wall. That's one of the things we handle during this time, which would normally be our downtime. So during the month of December, January, and February, typically what we do is a lot of cleanup and purchasing and getting ready and prepped all the new stuff for the new year. It takes 3 months. Believe it, you got to rest. I mean, when we shoot 160 plus artists a year or more, and we're doing magazine covers and interviews and travel, it gets really, really hectic and you need some downtime for yourself. So that's the first part. Now, the really cool news. Southwest Graphic Arts. Southwest Graphic Arts has been in business since 1983. And a lot of that was done with Southwest Graphic Arts was concert and music photography. But we're branching out and starting something a lot different. We're going into the music small amount merch business. And we can do it all. We just bought a brand new, what they call direct-to-film printer. It came in 2 crates. It's huge. It's monstrous, but it allows us to do T-shirts and hoodies and whatever you want clothing-wise with multiple colors all in one shot. And we're just now setting that up. Once we get that set up, I will show you that. Some of the things that we do is we do cups. We had a restaurant come to us and want 150 coffee cups. Boom, we did it. Now we can deliver coffee cups to music artists so you can have a coffee cup with a music artist on it. There is, one of the things that we've always done is, this is an example of one of our hoodies that we had. The hat I'm wearing. And this hoodie. All the way down to T-shirts. And we can do this in just about any color under the rainbow. We've got a selection that is simply just like a 64 color Crayola box. It's totally amazing. But what it does, it allows us to branch out and expand. We can do electronic press kits for with video and photographs for music artists. We can do things now with advertisement in small quantities. That we don't want to take on the quantity of doing 1,000 shirts or whatever, but if you need 20 shirts for a show, or you need 15 or 10, or you need a special shirt in that size 5X all the way down to a onesie for a baby, guess what? We can do it. It's expansion for what we do as concert and music photographers, and that's the whole goal behind Southwest Graphic Arts. So we've got a whole lot on our plate, a lot of things that we're doing, and if we're just excited, except it's 2 inches of ice outside on the ground, and it's somewhere now around 18 degrees. That doesn't excite you, does it? Doesn't excite me at all. So anyway, that's what's going on here at Max Concert Photography. When we get more stuff going on about Southwest Graphic Arts and some of the things that we're doing, I will bring that information to you. We do a lot of looking at our matrices in our analytics during the year, and there's still a whole lot of people that aren't subscribed to our channel. If you're watching and you found anything useful, like and subscribe. It helps us out a bunch. And to all our subscribers and our viewers, thank you very much. We appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye. Oh, and then I mentioned that we can do koozies and ball caps too, and even those bags that your girl can carry all her stuff around in, and that, yeah, we do all that stuff. So anyway, see ya. And you thought I was joking about the weather. It's not any good at all, and the sound, the music server is down, so boo. This isn't any fun at all. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.